Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a payment authorization letter. What is a payment authorization letter? A payment authorization letter is a formal document that grants permission to an individual or entity to conduct payment transactions on behalf of the authorizing party. This letter specifies the scope of transactions authorized, including the payment amount, payee details, and any limitations or conditions attached to the authorization. It is commonly used to authorize payments for bills, purchases, or financial obligations, when the account holder cannot make the payment personally. The purpose of the letter is to provide official consent for the transactions to proceed, ensuring that payments are made accurately and efficiently under the authorizing party's directive. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a payment authorization letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, you must write your information as a sender of this letter. You can start with your full name. Under it, write your home address. In doing so, don't forget to include the number, street name, building, city, state, and zip code. You can also add your contact information like phone number and email address. And now, write the date of the letter. Use the format of month, date, and year. The date is specified, indicating when the authorization is being made. For the next, you need to write the information about the recipient. In case you don't know the name of the recipient, you can simply write the organization or company name. In this case, the letter is addressed to XYZ Services, Inc. And you need to write the company's address to direct the letter appropriately. Yes, mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. And now, you may open the letter with a formal salutation. You may simply write, "Dear Sir or Madam," since you don't know their name. In the first paragraph, you can start with introduction and authorization statement. Here, you need to introduce yourself again for clarity. And you must officially state your authorization for a payment release, such as to ABC Contractors. In doing so, it is also a must that you specify the amount of $5,000. And ensure the transaction's details are clear from the outset. For example, the first paragraph will look like this. I, Olivia Thompson, hereby authorize the release and payment of funds to ABC Contractors in the amount of $5,000 from my account. In the second paragraph, this is where you write the purpose and payment details. Yes, you need to explain what the payment is for. In this case, the payment is for construction services completed at the writer's property. And the writer here links the payment to a specific service. If you have the same case, then you may copy this. The purpose of this payment is for the completion of construction services at my property. The payment details are as follows. And now, you need to write all the detailed payment instructions. They are including the payee's name, amount, payment date, and reference number, ensuring all necessary transaction details are clear. You can make them in bullet points to make them easy to notice and read. Here is the example how you write it. Payee's name, ABC Contractors. Amount, $5,000. Date of payment, October 15, 2024. Invoice or reference number, INV 1234-56. In the third paragraph, after giving the payment details, now you must write the instruction to bank. In this example, Olivia acknowledges that this letter serves as an instruction to ABC Bank to debit her account and process the payment. The writer also emphasizes her understanding of the authorization's implications. Sure, you can do the same. And this is how you write it. I understand that by providing this authorization, I am instructing ABC Bank to debit my account for the specified amount and transfer it to the designated payee. In the fourth paragraph, now you write the scope of authorization. Yes, you must clarify that the authorization is limited to the specified transaction. Mention also whether it is restricting the permission to this single payment and requiring new authorization for any future transactions. Every limitation must be clear here. If you have no idea what to write, you may simply copy and modify this. This authorization is valid for the specific transaction mentioned above, and does not grant permission for any additional transactions, without further written consent. In the last paragraph, this is where you write your closing request and contact offer. You need to request prompt attention to the authorization. You may write something like, "I appreciate your prompt attention to this matter," and then offer your contact information for any additional needs to facilitate communication. You can give your phone number and email address. Here is the example. If you require any additional information or confirmation, please do not hesitate to contact me at 555-789-0123 or olivia.thompson@email.com. And write a closing appreciation. Express your gratitude for the cooperation. Maintain a polite and professional tone. Simply, you can write, "Thank you for your cooperation." And finally, you can close the letter with "Sincerely." Add your signature, and write your full name under it. So, that's how you write a payment authorization letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.